Hey guys, what is good? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a little bit of a different style of video. I'm just gonna straight talk to the camera and we're gonna be talking about semen retention. So this is my first time doing it. I have done NoFap in the past, but I was still dating and sleeping with girls at the time. But I've never done purely semen retention. So I've been abstaining from sex and from dating, so I figured why not try out semen retention and see if I notice the benefits. And it has only been 7 days and I'm already experiencing some pretty incredible results. And that's what I want to talk about in today's video. I'm going to be talking about the 3 that I've noticed so far. So let's just hop straight into it. The first one is my energy levels. So when I would wake up in the morning before I started semen retention, it would take me like an hour and a half just to wake up. I make myself go for a run in the morning and that gets my heart going and my blood pumping, and I would do that to wake my ass up. But now I'm finding when I get out of bed, I've already got that energy. I already have that spike of energy. Like on day 4, day 5, even day 3, I would get out of bed and I was like, damn, you know, I feel good. And when I put my shoes on, I'm like ready to go for my run. Whereas before semen retention, I dread my run every morning. I'm like, fuck, like come on, man. And I just force myself to do it. But now it's easier. Like I'm like, okay, let's go run. Like I'm ready, you know, and that is such a good feeling. And that energy is been consistent throughout the day. I have more energy during my workouts. I feel, you know, I feel stronger. I can work out longer. I can work out harder. And when I'm on my computer and I'm focusing or when I'm studying, I have more energy and I'm way less distracted. I don't want to go on social media. I don't want to watch Netflix because I know that will drain my energy, and I want to use this more amount of energy, this increased energy, into more significant and meaningful things. So that's been the first one. That's been a huge one, and I'm blessed to be experiencing that. The second one is mental clarity. I haven't had this kind of mental clarity since I did my 72-hour fast. So I like to spend time in nature. I like to meditate. I like to go for walks. And when I'm out, and this was like day 4, day 5, all my senses are heightened. Like the feeling of the wind, the smell of nature, the smell of the leaves, of the grass. And I can feel nature's energy. Like I like to go up I live in the eastern side of Canada, and where I live, there's a lot of like hills. They're not really mountains, but they're covered in pure forest and no one's around. So I go out into nature. Maybe I'll add a little bit of nature B-roll. Sometimes I take my camera with me, and I can feel the energy of nature and the smell and the senses, and I feel more in touch with nature, like a heightened sense of spirituality. And I used to feel that before, but not at this higher state that I'm at now. Like I feel more connected to nature when I'm out there, which is an incredible feeling. And the third one that I wanted to talk about is my focus. I'm so much more dialed in. Like I love to read and study and take notes, and I love to learn, like constantly keep learning, keep pouring knowledge into my mind. And I'm finding that I'm absorbing and retaining the information far better than I was before. Before I could only read 45 minutes, an hour, and then I'm like, yeah, I got to do something else. But now I'm going like 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours without losing my focus. And without my mind wandering. It still wanders a little bit, but not nearly as much as it was wandering before. And this is only 5 days in. Like I'm thinking about, well, how am I gonna feel in 2 weeks, in a month? And I'm gonna keep you guys updated for sure. Every week I'll make an update video. But I'm absorbing I'm retaining the information. I'm more focused. It really reminds me of when I did my fast, because when you don't have anything in your body has a chance to rest, recuperate, and your mind has a chance to let go and clear, because it's not working. Like your body's not working to digest food. It's just in a rested, recovery, health state. And semen retention is giving me that same feeling, and I love that feeling. It literally makes you feel like a superhuman. Like you just feel at your most prime state. Like it reminds me of when I was like 15, 16, and I was just full of energy and just wanted to go have fun, play, and you know, go out, and I didn't chase girls because I was a bitch. But so I'm gonna be making more videos on masculinity, on semen retention, as long as I can keep going, and with your guys' help I'm sure I will. on yeah, semen retention, masculinity, self-discipline, self-development, all the things I struggled with, because that's what I've been thinking about over the last couple weeks. What did I really struggle with when I was young? And it was literally, I was jerking off way too much. I was a shy guy, you know, I lacked confidence, I lacked discipline was huge. Like I was so lazy and eating junk food all the time, and I sucked with women. So those are kind of the topics: discipline, confidence, semen retention. As long as I keep it up, I know I'm going to. You guys got me. And self-discipline, self-development. So if you're interested in that and you're new, make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment if you've done semen retention, if you're doing semen retention, if you want to try it out. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. Drop the video a like. And for my ladies, I know I have quite a few ladies subscribed to my channel, and I love y'all. You know how much I love you. My channel, a lot of my videos will be more geared towards men. As the winter months come and it gets freezing balls, like -30, I'm not going to be able to film outside as much, so I'll probably do some more just straight talk to the camera. So I'm going to wrap it up here. I feel amazing. 7 days. Like, this is crazy. This is awesome. Every week I'm going to update you guys with semen retention, and I'll probably sprinkle in some other videos throughout the week. Alright, I hope you guys have a blessed week. What day is it? I believe I'll be dropping this video on Sunday. Today is Saturday. So yeah, have a blessed week, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love, guys. Take care.